Ever dreamt of a workplace that feels less like, well, a workplace? Imagine a place where innovation thrives, collaboration flows freely, and everyone feels valued for their unique perspective. Sounds pretty good, right? That's the essence of Commbank's culture. But culture isn't just beanbag chairs and ping-pong tables, although we do have those. It's about the core values that define who we are and how we work together. It's the invisible thread weaving a vibrant tapestry of passionate individuals united towards a common goal, helping our customers thrive. So, what exactly makes Commbank's culture so special? Let's dive in and explore the cornerstones that set us apart. 1. We embrace the better together mentality. Gone are the days of siloed departments and competitive colleagues. At Commbank, we believe that true success comes from collaboration. We foster a culture of open communication, where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas, asking questions, and learning from each other. Whether it's a seasoned banker mentoring a fresh graduate or a team brainstorming solutions, the better together spirit permeates everything we do. Imagine this: you're working on a complex financial product. You might have brilliant technical expertise, but the marketing team has insights into customer needs. By fostering open communication and collaboration, these diverse perspectives come together to create a product that's not only technically sound but also resonates with the customer. It's this synergy that fuels innovation and drives results. 2. We champion diversity and inclusion. We understand that a diverse workforce brings a wealth of perspectives and experiences to the table. At Commbank, we celebrate our differences and actively promote an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. This means going beyond lip service and creating programs that empower all employees, regardless of their background, gender, ethnicity, or sexual orientation. Here's an example. Let's say you're a young working parent who feels torn between work and family commitments. Commbank offers flexible work arrangements and parental leave policies, demonstrating their commitment to creating a work-life balance for all employees. This inclusivity not only improves employee morale, but also fosters a sense of belonging, leading to a more engaged and productive workforce. 3. We empower you to be your best self. At Commbank, we believe in the potential of every individual. We invest heavily in training and development programs, providing our employees with the tools and resources they need to continuously learn and grow. Whether it's attending industry conferences, participating in internal workshops, or taking online courses, Commbank fosters a culture of continuous learning. Think about it this way: as technology evolves and the financial landscape changes, you need to stay ahead of the curve. Commbank empowers you with the knowledge and skills to navigate these changes and excel in your role. This commitment to your professional development ensures you're not just a cog in the machine, but a valuable asset contributing to the bank's success. 4. We encourage innovation and risk-taking. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and at Commbank, we embrace change. We encourage our employees to think outside the box, experiment with new ideas, and not be afraid to take calculated risks. It's this culture of innovation that allows us to develop cutting-edge financial solutions and stay at the forefront of the industry. Let's illustrate this with an example. You have an idea for a new mobile banking app that utilizes the latest AI technology. At Commbank, you'll find the support and resources to develop your concept. You'll be encouraged to present your idea, collaborate with colleagues from different departments, and potentially turn your vision into reality. This environment fosters creativity and propels Commbank towards a dynamic future. 5. We give back to the community. At Commbank, we believe success comes with responsibility. We're committed to giving back to the communities we serve, both financially and through volunteer initiatives. This social responsibility is embedded in our culture, creating a sense of purpose and meaning for our employees. Imagine this: you are passionate about environmental sustainability. Commbank not only offers green initiatives within the workplace, but also encourages employees to volunteer for environmental causes. This allows you to contribute to a cause you care about, solidifying your connection to the bank's values and fostering a sense of shared social responsibility. Commbank's culture is more than just a tagline, it's the lifeblood of our organization. It's the foundation on which we build a thriving workplace, foster innovation, and ultimately, empower our customers to achieve their financial goals. So, if you're looking for a place where you can make a real difference, collaborate with passionate individuals, and continuously learn and grow, then Commbank might just be the perfect fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.